Welcome to AutoQuotes and the AQ catalog. This video series will help you maximize your presence in the powerful AQ application. We'll share with you best practices for showcasing your product to more than 18,000 dealers, reps, and consultants. The first step is getting to know your AQ Content Account Manager. You can be confident in knowing that all of our content account managers are certified food service professionals. Your manager is assigned based on experience and knowledge in your specific market. Your account manager is your first point of contact for any AQ catalog activity and helps ensure that your products are represented correctly in AQ. We recommend that you appoint a specific person in your organization to work directly with your AQ account manager. If you have multiple brands, consider selecting a liaison for each one so you get the best representation. Our customer support department will contact your liaison to provide training on the catalog. They'll also show you how your customers use the software to select and quote your products. The more you know about the software, the better you can showcase your company. The rest of this video series will discuss tips, processes, and best practices to maximize your presence in AQ. Again, welcome to AutoQuotes.